Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys the new home's empty house tour. We are yet to set up everything, but this is going to be our house and I'll quickly show you guys everything around. And yeah, like I said, this is the empty house tour. We just put few appliances and we're yet to get furniture and everything, but I will also do an updated actual house tour properly once everything is decorated and once the decor and furniture and everything is settled in. But for now, welcome to the empty house tour, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe. I do a lot of fashion videos and also lifestyle videos and a little bit of beauty here and there. So yeah, let's get started. So this, what you see here, is the hall. I'm standing in the balcony right now, but we'll start from the entrance door. That is the entrance door. Yeah, I'm pointing at the right one. That's the entrance door, and yeah, that's my dog Bella. So there's a balcony right behind me, so there's a whole light blocking me, but this is the entrance. This is the look when you enter the house. So because it has the balcony at that end, it looks really long, and you know, it gives that extended feel to it. I really like this whole area. That is the hall and the balcony and the dining area. Let me just take you to the dining area. So the lighting is going a little crazy, but bear with me. And this is the dining area, and it has French windows. That's my favorite part. Gives a really nice look to it. And that's the crockery area. Like I said, we just have few appliances and nothing else as of now. So yeah, so that's what we have now. I just put that bowl there because Bella's eating. But yeah, I love the look of this. And imagine a nice probably a nice round or a rectangular dining table, and really nice crockery unit here, and imagine some nice cups and everything. From the dining area, this is what it looks like. I've placed random things here or there as of now, but this is the guest room. This is the guest room, and here we placed some beds temporarily, some really old ones for the time being. Hopefully I'll get to use some of the wardrobes here too. You know how it is. So yeah, this is the guest room. And now coming to the favorite part, you can see that I can totally shoot some videos here because the lighting is amazing here. And this is the view, because there's a grill. And I think that's good because if Bella is going to live with us, I think that's going to be really helpful. And even in general, because it's a little on the top, it's a penthouse, so it's going to be a little scary. I'm scared of heights, so I'm glad there's a grill already. But yeah, this is a pretty long balcony, and so it's a pretty long balcony, and it's going to be really good because I have really nice plants. I plan to put a lot of plants here, and hopefully some kitchen related plants too, like pudina, tomato and stuff like that, but mostly some flowers and nice green plants. And it'll be great. I think it'll be great to sit in the mornings, sip your coffee, or like evening sit and read a book, for people who read a book. But for me, I think basically I can chill here, edit my videos. So I kind of like how the entrance is to the balcony too, because this is like nice wooden doors here. Two wooden doors which open up to the balcony like this. So I kind of like that. I think once this is set up, the balcony will look really good. So this is the hall area which leads to the balcony, so probably this will be like a sitting area. And again, I have some plans for this other wall next to the balcony. I plan to keep some vintage furniture here so that I can shoot videos just where the light comes from. And I think this corner will be my shoot place along with the balcony. So this is the other wall. So this is the wall opposite the dining area, and this is where I think we'll place the TV unit. That is the kitchen right behind me, and it's actually pretty nice kitchen. I'll show you guys. And so we have mostly everything is done in terms of appliances, but we have to set up everything else. But yeah, it's a pretty nice kitchen, good storage units. I've put some of the things here already, but yeah, this is the balcony again, which again leads to the dining area. It is the common balcony here. This is the kitchen, just setting up things. So there's a lot of things that you see there. Again, ignore that. So this is originally the puja room. It has a little bit of puja setup here also, but then it's going to be office room actually. It's going to be Yash's office room, but hopefully I can use it as well when I'm editing my videos, or probably when I'm working. So as of now, this is all we have. As of now, this is all we have, like a little bit of like office table and a giant cooler because summer's coming up. And yeah, this is like a guest room actually, so it has like all the wardrobes built in, and this is what it looks like. And we're still going to keep the puja set up here. So I completely forgot to show the master bedroom. Like, this is the balcony area, and this is the dining, and here is the master bedroom. And yeah, you have to buy a bed and curtains and tube light. So yeah, there's a lot of things to be done. We just set up the AC. So I'm just packing some of my clothes. So I just started putting some essentials and stuff here, but yeah, hack to put my jewelry maybe, I don't know. Just started putting everything so that I don't have to bring everything at once. And this is the dressing room. So there's no light there yet, so you won't be able to see much. And then there's the bathroom here, but yeah, there's no light inside here, and I forgot to shoot this earlier, so now it's evening. So yeah, it's sort of like a camouflage. You won't be able to tell that it's the dressing room. That fancy mat there is for Bella. So that was the empty house tour, you guys. I hope this was fun. I love how it is so lit. It has sunlight coming in from both the balconies. I love how it's open and long, because in my old room, my house, I mean my parents' place, my room, I love my room but it has only two windows which are behind the bed. So when I want to film videos, it gets really difficult. I just can't use natural source of light. I always have to use some setup because the windows are behind my bed and I sort of sit on the bed and film. So I think for shooting, this house is going to be really good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Before you go, do subscribe to my channel, and also find me on Instagram where you can see a lot of quick updates, and I keep posting a lot of OOTD pictures and a lot of fun posts, so do check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.